Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing. So
Hi guys.
let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we are not yet going to open WhatsApp because the process is really simple. We are going to go into settings. Let's go into settings of our phone, and from here we want to go into our apps right here, and we want to go into manage apps, and from here we want to search for WhatsApp because we want to go into the app info of WhatsApp. So from here we want to tap on WhatsApp right here, and from here you want to go into your app permissions right here, and you want to make sure that the contacts option right here is set to allowed. So if it is right here, in your case, if it is right here, then you want to tap on your contacts right here, and you want to make sure that this is allowed right here, because the only reason that your contacts won't be showing up on WhatsApp would be that its permission for the contacts is set to like this. It's don't allow. That is why you need to set it into allow like this one, and after that you can just go back, and from here you want to for stop your WhatsApp right here, make sure it's not running, and from here you can clear cache just for some extra security. Then after that, then you can just go launch your WhatsApp right here, and the problem should be solved.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.